So we are looking at question number 23. Nancy works for a company that offers two types of savings plans. Plan A is represented on the graph below. So here I've got Plan A. It's got number of weeks on the bottom, amount of money I'm saving along the side on my y-axis, going by tens. What is this going by? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going by twos, right? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Great, it's going by twos. So here's Plan A. At 10 weeks, I've saved $20. By 30 weeks, I've saved, it looks like $60. That's how it goes. Plan B is represented by the function f of x equals 0.01 plus 0.05 x squared, where x is the number of weeks Nancy wants to have the highest save. Oh, sorry, where x is the number of weeks, period. I did this same exact problem last time I recorded this. Nancy wants to have the highest savings possible after a year. She picks Plan B. And we got to determine, is it correct or incorrect, and then why it's correct or incorrect. So you see f of x equals. That should tell you to graph it in your calculator. So let's graph it in the calculator. Come over here. 0.01 plus 0.05 x squared. So in my calculator, I'm going to graph 0.01 plus 0.05 x squared. 0.05 x squared. Hit enter over here. Okay. Now this is great and all, right? It's a table. It's a graph. I've got a curvy thing. I see an x squared, so that makes sense. It should be quadratic. But this only goes up, if you notice, this only goes up to 10 weeks. Plan A goes all the way till 60 weeks. Well, that's no good. This one only goes to 10. And that one goes to 60. What I need to do here then is I'm going to have to hit my Control T to get my table of values so I can compare it. So let's see. Nancy wants to have the highest saving possible after 1 year. Ooh, this is kind of tricky. This is in weeks. You should know, and maybe you can try to figure out, but you should really know that there are about 52 weeks in a year. So I'm going to be looking right over here at 52 weeks. So after 52 weeks, she will have saved, looks like $105 on Plan A. After 1 year, 52. Let me just make sure. How many weeks in a year? Let's confirm that. Yeah, about 52 weeks. That's what I thought, right? Right over there. So at 52 weeks, she will have saved $105 on Plan A. Check Plan B. Well, I need the weeks as my x-axis. I need to scroll all the way to 52 here to find it out. So we're at 1, we're at 5, we just got to keep going all the way until we get to 52. See if that's more than 105. Now you might be like, oh, that's too much to scroll, but we're going to be there in about 3 more seconds. Okay, at 52 weeks here, she will have saved on Plan B $135. Compare that to at 52 weeks, she saved $105. Plan B definitely looks like it's bigger. It's better. So let's see. Her decision is correct that she chose Plan B. And that's because B is an exponential function and will increase at a faster rate, or because it's a quadratic function and will increase at a faster rate. So, well, we did say before that B is a quadratic function. So yeah, I mean, you see x squared is quadratic. That's got to make sense. It is answer choice 2. I really don't like this question because it's also exponential. It is going up by multiples every time, but because I see that x squared, because I see that nice quadratic curve going on over there with the vertex, it is more precisely a quadratic function, so it's going to be answer choice 2.